in the shop manual page, or we'll say, it was like 24 50.32 and figure 36 is probably the closest thing I could find with an illustration. So here's the actual sending unit standalone view X, and it says installation marked with a box with a 1/2 blank and the other dark. So that is looks like here. So it looks like it goes on the top. Let's try to zoom. So there's that box from the sending unit. So it looks like the fuel sender unit is on the upper side of the tank. So hope that helps you out.